This is Easy Maths Tutor class, and in this session, this episode of making subject of the formula, we're going to solve this question. So we are supposed to make C in this equation the subject of the formula. So now, this is a kind of complex equation because we have brackets, we have fractions and all that. So first of all, we're going to separate. This is what we are going to move to isolate, to make the subject of the formula. But first of all, we need to isolate every other term from C. First of all, we start with Q. How do we move Q to this side? Remember, Q is attached to a term. So once it's a bracket, it's assumed that this is a single term. Okay? So we assume we have Q and we have a single term X. So how do we move Q away from X? By dividing both sides or by moving Q to the denominator. So we have A over Q equal to X, which is this. So now this X is what? 12 over C minus B over 3. So now the next thing we need to do is to move this term to the other side of the equation, leaving us with 12 over C. So how do we do that? We do that quickly because it is negative minus B over 3. When it moves over here, it becomes positive. So we'll have A over Q equal plus B over 3 equal to 12 over C. Now, we have 12 and we have C. And we have C in the denominator, while we have 12 in the numerator. But first of all, let's move 12 out of the equation. Or rather, let's see if we can invert this equation. And remember, the law of equality. If you invert something, do something on the right-hand side, you must do the same thing on the left-hand side. So let's quickly invert this equation. So I'll rewrite 12 over C here. So if I invert 12 over C, it becomes C over 12. And this whole term will be taken as 1 and will be inverted. It will become 1 over everything we have here, which is A over Q plus B over 3. Now we're almost at the end of our problem. We're left with 12. We can't leave 12 here. We have to move it to the other side. So 12 is already in the denominator section. For it to move to this side, it needs to go to the numerator section. So we'll have C equal to 12 over A over Q plus B over 3. And this is our new final equation for C when it becomes the subject of the formula. Thank you for watching this class. I'll see you in our next class. Do not forget to subscribe, follow this page, like, and share.